Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C11 2021 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the system. Now let's enter developer options, and if you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them. So let's check it and come back to this video. So if we are on the developer options, all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find the automatic system updates option, which is right now in my case turned off. And if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher on it, and from this moment this option is active, so your device will apply the updates when it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn it off the same way whenever you want to. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your REALME C11 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.